Welcome back to Wear Wigs with me. Today's video is all about unboxing, doing a check wash, blow drying, and styling my brand new human hair wig by Jon Renau. This is Jennfer in the color FS27. I immediately did a check wash. They tell you should do a check wash within 2 weeks, but I was gonna restyle it, so I'm going to wash it. I purchased this from name brand Wigs, and with a human hair wig, you get a free travel pack of human hair product. So that's all that I used. Let's get started. The first thing that I did was unbox it, and I was nervous about this color, you guys. FS27 in synthetic tends to be too dark for me, but in human hair, it's perfect. So right away, I am thrilled about the color. I put it on. I knew that it wasn't going to be wearable right out of the box. I had been warned. I was expecting that. But I was happy. I mean, it wasn't like, oh, I can't stand, what am I gonna do with this wig? I was happy with how it looked right out of the box. I put it on straight out of the box and took pictures, the front and both sides, as you can see here. This is the Travel Kit Human Hair Care System by Jon Renau. So that's all I used for washing and styling this wig. Starting off, I just soaked the wig, and they say in the check wash, the reason to do it is you want to be able to run your fingers through it and it not be super tangly. This was not. It was smooth, silky, I mean, so soft. Next up, I took some shampoo, worked the shampoo into all the fibers. Now I am rinsing it out really well, and I just used cool water. I didn't use super cold, I didn't use super hot, it's just a cool water. Rinse it out really good. Then I took some conditioner, and I took about a quarter size, worked it into my hands, and then just kind of worked it through those fibers. Rinsed it out really well. I did not want to leave any shampoo or conditioner on these hair fibers. So I rinsed it out really well. Now I'm squeezing out all the excess water, taking it over and laying it on a towel and pressing out as much moisture as I can. And while this video is sped up 6 times, I didn't want to cut any part of it because I really wanted you to see how long things take. Next thing I did was take it to my bathroom and put it on a mannequin head, and then I worked in that blow dry balm. And the website says to blow dry it about 80% of the way before you take a round brush to it. I learned after doing this, I did not blow dry it enough initially. Next time I will definitely blow dry it more, because when I finally did take the round brush to it, it took forever. And this is where, again, it's sped up times 6. But I don't think I cut any part of the blow drying. I think you're gonna see all sides of the hair, and it took a long time. Okay, so I am finally done blow drying it, and now I'm gonna put it on, and I gotta say, I think it looks pretty good just blown out. Look how pretty that is. I loved it. I definitely want to try just blow drying it and then taking a flat iron to it because, I mean, that's pretty just how it is. But I had gotten a new tool that I had been dying to try. So I sprayed some of that Argan Smooth spray on it. Don't know if it was necessary, but it was there, so I did it. I divided my hair in half, and then I used this tool called a Wave We Go, and it's by Bedhead. I was influenced by one of my favorite Instagrammers. I didn't know how thick of sections I should take. Now I know that I need to take much thicker sections because this tool is very effective. You do not have to hold it on the hair very long, and it works really well. Okay, I am finally done with that tool, and I put it on my head and was like, oh my gosh, it really worked. It did get a little bit frizzy, but I was so pleased really with how it turned out because I just wasn't sure if it was gonna take it all or what it was gonna look like. So I don't hate it the way it looks like that. I wore that like that for a couple days. Yeah, I don't know, I just really liked it. I love all the volume, and I don't know, I mean, look at that. I think that's so cute. And then, oh my gosh, the comparison. Okay, but I did want to try a different style. So I wet it down, I let it air dry, I combed it out, and then I curled it. And again, I am so happy with how it came out. Okay, so it's been, gosh, I would think like a week since I curled it and combed it out and those pictures were taken. You guys, it still looks fabulous. I love this wig. I love this style, the layers. It's the perfect density. I don't feel like I need to thin it out at all. I just think it looks like a healthy head of hair. Okay, so that is my first experience with the Jon Renau human hair wig, from taking it out of the box, doing the check wash, blow drying it, and styling it. So far, I love it. Okay, my next video is going to be a full review on Jennfer.